Hey guys, welcome back. If you use custom ROMs, then you might have tried to backup them and also restore. But many a times it does not restore properly and the password seems to be incorrect. Actually, the process of restoration has taken place properly, but the password option is corrupted. So if you even enter the correct password, it says the password is incorrect. To fix this problem, first reboot to recovery. Now go to File Explorer and click the three dots till it disappears. Here we are going to the previous folders. Here you will find all the contents that is readable by the device. Now once you enter data in the main menu, go to System and now search for logsettings.db. Now locate the file and delete it. Now if you reboot, there will be no security. So if you enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.